Welcome, welcome. In this video, we're going to cover why pausing updates in Looker Studio's edit mode is important.
The Data Studio OGs know sometimes if you're updating the report in edit mode, if someone else is looking at the report in review mode, elements of the report of the dashboard could move all of a sudden without you knowing why. There's a button in the top right corner of Looker Studio for pausing updates. It not only saves you from running into that issue if someone else is looking at the report or dashboard, but it also saves tokens counting against the quota. So you can save money there. Did you run into the update issue where someone else was editing the report and elements just moved on you out of nowhere?
If you want the full comprehensive Looker Studio tutorial, including how to connect data sources and how to configure dashboards and reports, check the link on the screen or the link in the description.
So if you found this useful, please like, comment, subscribe, and if you want more content on digital analytics, including tracking, reporting, analysis, we'll see you in the next episode.